we're back. This might be our first official video. We don't know. But anyway, so we're on the way right now to go feed horses. And then when we get done with that, we're going to the shop. Some parts came in for the boat motor. We're going to try to get it running tonight. And yeah, so we'll pick y'all back up when we get to the shop.
If y'all can see me or not, but we're at Tractor Supply right now, and we're about to head to the shop because some stuff came in for the boat motor, and we're going to put it together.
Alright guys, so we fed the horses, and now we're en route to the house to pick up my package, the parts that came in for the boat motor, and then we're going to go slap those on and see if we can get the boat motor running tonight. And we'll pick y'all up when we get to the shop.
Bloopers, but we came to Hartley's house to get the package. He's in there going to get it, but do y'all see that?
Secured. Currently got stuff in my face. Guys, I'm currently trying to find a nut, but I'm starved.
And put it in there, and then go sit in there and pick through it, so I don't have to sit on the floor. What'd you say? You're sitting there and start to feel that.
Fight back, man! Fight back, man! Fight back!
Hartley currently had a crash out because he had opened the box when we got to the shop with the starter in it, and the starter didn't come with bolts. Like I said in the last video, we needed bolts. Well, there's no bolts, so
oh my god, my Shayla!
Couldn't find one, so now we're currently looking for bolts, and if we can't find bolts, then we're probably not going to achieve nothing tonight, but we will see. Okay, so I got good news. So Hartley had posted his truck on Marketplace to kickstart this project of the boat, and if somebody was to buy it, then we could go ahead and start on the boat and get the aluminum and stuff. And somebody just texted me on the boat or on the truck and said he wants to buy the truck, so maybe that will lighten Hartley's mood up a little bit. So I'm about to call him and tell him, and maybe that'll lighten his mood. And yeah. Did we find the bolt?
Yeah, unfortunately. I'm over this.
What? There's something dead in there.
What?
There's something dead in there.
Where?
Where did you take a shit?
I ain't took shit down.
Well, there's something dead. If they don't fit, then just wait till tomorrow and get a nut that fits. So Hartley is drawing his invisible boat.
We're marking it out.
Marking it out. We've only done this twice. What are the measurements for the boat? It's gonna be a big old love machine boat. The invisible boat. Shoot a bow. That was not shooting a bow. Shoot a bow.
What's up? Very frustrated right now because I don't have any nuts for this bolt to put the starter on. And it was supposed to come with 2 nuts, but it didn't come with 2 nuts. We have no nuts for the bolt. I've dug through the whole entire shop, a whole bucket of nuts, and couldn't find 2 nuts to fit the bolt. So, we're going to have to go get 2 nuts tomorrow. So, that's a whole lot talking about nuts right there. We'll pick y'all up tomorrow. Be just a minute for y'all. Be like 12 hours for us. We'll pick y'all back up tomorrow when we get the nuts to put the starter on the boat motor. So maybe the motor or run. So we shall pick y'all up tomorrow. Stay punchy, guys.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.